Hi guys, it's Barry Joyce here, and in this quick video I just want to show you how you can revoke your tokens in your MetaMask. Now I'm sure you are fully aware that there are many fake and scam sites out there that will tap or try to tap into your MetaMask and steal your tokens or your funds. And by revoking your allowance, this will reduce you becoming exploited to these scams. Now, please bear in mind, once you revoke your tokens to your specific site, unfortunately, you cannot recover any stolen funds. But this will make sure that the perpetrators cannot steal any more funds from your MetaMask. So, using the web address below, this will take you to your BSC scan, and you will see all of your token approvals in there. Now, if I just scroll down here, you'll see on mine where there is a few sites that I've connected my MetaMask wallet to, where they have been phishing and they are scams. And you'll see here where it says approved center. So although you may still think they are legit, it's shown up here that they are fake, so I'm just going to revoke it so they can't take any further funds or access my account. Now, even if you do still go into your MetaMask to your connected sites, they still have access until you revoke them. Now, in order to do that, if I just scroll back up, so following the link that I mentioned there before, what you need to do is click here where it says connect to Web3. So that'll pop up and it'll ask you to connect to your MetaMask or any other wallet that you may have. And I'm just going to sign in. So that is my wallet now connected. So you'll know you're connected by the green circle and it'll come up connected. So when I'm going to go scroll down, I'm just going to have a look at the various sites. And where I mentioned before, approved sender, you'll see there I've got a few that are saying fake and phishing. So what I want to do is revoke these. So you'll have your transaction hash, you'll have the block, the contact, approved sender, the amount that maybe have been approved in the last update. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this and I'm going to revoke it. So you go to revoke, click there, and the token in this Splendor will come up. Just click revoke. It will open your MetaMask. Now, there is a small transaction fee for this, as you can see there. It's only 7 cents. So, you know, it's 0.0027 Binance coin. So all I'm going to do is approve. So please, if you're doing this, make sure again that you have some funds in your MetaMask. And then what you need to do is just select revoke once more. And then what you need to do is just revoke all of your tokens that is shown as phishing. Now, let me refresh the page. And here you see there's all of my tokens now being revoked. Okay, so I hope that helps. And if you have any further questions, then feel free to reach out to me.